Welcome back, smart mathematicians. We're going to solve this equation. This is for question 1.1.2. So this equation is already in standard form. Remember standard form, ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Right, that's standard form. And then this gives us a clue that we have to use the quadratic formula. Okay, right, let's write the quadratic formula. X is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. All this over 2a. Okay, right, and then b squared minus 4ac, everything here is underneath the root sign, the square root sign. Okay, and then you get a mark for substituting into the formula correctly. You can even start by writing your a, b, and c. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to negative 3, then c is equal to negative 3. You see that? And then let's substitute into the formula. X is equal to negative b. So b is negative 3. So it's going to be negative 3 plus or minus the square root of b is negative 3. So negative 3 squared minus 4. Our a is what? A is 2. And then c is negative 3. Okay, it's negative 3. And then all this over 2 times a, and then a is 2. Right, you can start by simplifying. X is equal to 3 plus or minus the square root of 33 over 4. And then you can use your calculator here. You can get that x is equal to 2,19, or x is equal to negative 0,69. You can use your calculator to get that. So what you do, press the fraction function here, and then we say negative 3. Okay, and then plus or minus. So we can't put these operations at the same time. So we can start by plus, and then square root, and then we say b negative 3 squared. We squared here, and then minus 4. Then we put in the calculator like just like this, and then negative 3 there for c. See that? And then we move down to the denominator, which is 2, then bracket 2, which is a there, and then equals. You see that? That's what we get here. We get this. Okay, so it's going to be plus here or minus. So how do we change that? So we can even press SD here to see the decimal one. See, this is 2,19 when you round off to 2 decimal places. Now you want to put minus, so you go back like this. You go back and remove plus. Don't change anything, just remove plus there, and then you put minus, and then you press equal sign. You see that? And then you press SD there. See, we're getting 0,69 because we're rounding off to 2 decimal places. This is how you use the calculator. Okay, the answer is what? X is equal to 2,19, or x is equal to negative 0,69. Okay, we're going to meet when we're doing question 113.